Hi everybody, welcome to All Around the Farm today. So, I thought I'd maybe take today to just go around, check things out, see how things are looking around here. You know, I just don't know what I'm gonna do today. I mean, there's so many things I want to do. If I only had my shop done. Look at that. Well, that certainly opens up a whole new novel of books, doesn't it? Let's go for a little tour, guys. Telling you guys, if you got a chance to buy a cheap forklift at an auction, that is just a thing of beauty right there. Welcome to the new home at JT's, everybody. Let me give you the grand tour. There ain't much to see, but you know, it's something. It's something. Got lights, a door, tools, chicks, and a nice hard place to work. I couldn't ask for much more. Now guys, my goal here was trying to get everything as efficiently, in here, best I could. Got welder, tools, bolts. I bought that countertop at a garage sale for $5 about 7 years ago. Finally found a use for it. Threw a little framing under it. Hijacked that from a party store surplus. I thought, that's pretty cool, why not? Got my shop towels. I even got air. Without the air compressor. I thought it'd be wise to keep the compressor back in the old barn and just kind of pipe some PEX underground, and hey, you know what? It works just fine. We got 16 feet of ceiling, plenty of room for tall activities around here, so that's cool. I went ahead and added a lot more stone because I thought it needed it, and I needed an approach to get up to my new building, so that's a lot of stone. And somebody was still bitching because I didn't put enough back there. Come on, fellas. Trying not to go into debt here doing this, and well, I ain't far from it. So friends, I want to tell you about a few things here. So I know a lot of you expressed concern that that's not going to be big enough. Well, it's a workshop. It's not going to be storage. Just my tools. That's the only thing I'm storing in there. And if I have a workshop that's way too big, then I'm just going to start parking other shit in there, and then it won't be it will definitely be too small then. But like I say, one project at a time. The old barn hasn't gone anywhere. Now that can become some storage. I got a little bit more space in that barn because, I can jockey things around a little bit now. But this was what I needed. I needed a place to work on things that wasn't that barn anymore. And like I said, guys, I've been saving my money for about 4 years to build this thing. I did not want to go into any debt to do it. So it is what it is. It's what I got, and I'm proud to have it. I know a lot of you made some nice suggestions about in-ground or heat and all that, and various different things I could do. And hey, I appreciate those guys. Those were all great ideas. But like I said, this thing was on an exact budget. I figured everything out to exactly what I needed, and I got what I got, and I'm happy about that. So, welcome to our new home. And if any of you were paying attention, so guys, I got Miss Catherine Bach, Daisy Duke. She's going to be gracing our presence regularly. And Farrah Fawcett, can't have a good barn without a Farrah Fawcett in it. But now, we got Chrissy Snow. Suzanne Summers has joined us. I thought she was fitting to have in here, so she'll be helping us do some more work. Maybe I need to find, to fit my theme, maybe I need to find Wonder Woman, but I don't know. Fictional stuff ain't quite so much. If I'm going to have fiction, it's just going to be what I can dream up with those three. That's funny. Anyway, so yeah, guys, that's the new shop I've been working on and trying to get built, and it's going to really make things a lot nicer for me to work. So guys, I thought it'd only be fitting. The first project I work on in my new shop is Massey Kardashian. She needs her lipstick touched up pretty bad. She proved herself very well out in the field there a couple weeks ago, so I feel like it's earned that paint job, and I've been really wanting to work on that thing anyway. So that's going to be my first project in the barn. Now, I'm not going to get too crazy today with much of anything except washing it because, well, it needs to be oh, and look at that. I got a nice spot to keep Turd Ferguson just tucked away inside here. I got this extra concrete, so I just had him dump it right there so I can crawl under that now, and I don't have to get all full of mud and crud and snow and whatever else. So that'll be Turd's new home. Sometime I'll put a little lean-to over him, but he's going to reside there for now. But we're not worried about that turd right now. We're worried about this turd right now. So, like I said, guys, I just need to give this thing a good bath, get her backed inside. I think we should just go ahead first and get working on this, especially on days like today. We got 2 inches of rain over the last couple of days, so field work has definitely come to a screeching halt. But never mind that now. I got plenty to do. Let's get rolling on this thing. You know, guys, I can't say anything bad right now. That thing, I mean, not only is it running 110% smoother than it was before we give it a run. I mean, it's a little bit smoky, but I mean, I haven't started it in days. So I don't feel bad about that at all. I think that is perfectly fine. But let's get all this crap washed off of here. Like I said, guys, running for like 5 minutes, maybe even that. That baby's cleared right up. Well, let's get to working. Well there, friends, that didn't wash up too bad. I even got most of the grease off the bell housing. That was a necessity. a lot of this paint on the door blew off, which is perfectly fine with me. Got a lot of rust to cover up. I didn't bother getting the tires all that clean because they are on here for a short time only. So other than the fact that they're going to get my new floor a little dirty, not going to worry about them. Got that baby spick and span. Look at that. But yeah, for the most part, everything is, yeah, she wasn't real greasy anyway. Sitting outside for 20 years and the weather will, you know, eliminate a lot of that as it is. But it's definitely going to be a bit of a project, but nothing old JT can't handle. So I'll let this drip dry for a few minutes, and then we'll back her into her new, a new home for the next month or so. Guys, I'm not used to having all this room for all these activities. Look at all this space I got to work in here now. Wowzer. Tell you what, my tiny barn has got me living high on the horse, friends. Well, guys, let me get a beer. I feel like all this just deserves that. Nice Blue Mountain Coors. Guys, that's gonna do it for me today. I'm really excited to have all this space to work in now and all this light, and just makes my day. Thanks, guys. Also, I noticed I'm getting very, very close to 20,000 subscribers. I owe that all to you guys. I can't subscribe to my own channel 20,000 times. And it's you guys that are making the difference and helping me make this stuff possible. So I appreciate it. You know a friend that's a tractor guy? Tell him all about me. Let's make it 30,000. Maybe I'll put it all right back in the channel, I promise. Gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Kitty, come on. You got some exploring to do.
Fluffy.
You leaving already? Oh, that a girl. Maybe I need to get some kitty treats.